Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix collections for organized dropshipping browsing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Wix account. Navigate to the Wix dashboard for your website. Select the Content Manager option from the left sidebar. Click on Collections to create a new collection for your dropshipping products. Choose Create New Collection. Name your collection appropriately, such as dropshipping products. Select the type of collection you want, like Custom Collection. Click Create. Now, add fields to your collection by clicking on Add Field. For example, add a field for product name, description, price, and image. Once you've added all necessary fields, click Save. Next, populate your collection by clicking Add Item. Repeat this process for each dropshipping product you want to list. Once all products are added, return to the Wix editor. Select the page where you want to display your collection. Click on the plus icon to add new elements to your page. Choose List and then select Collection List from the options. In the settings, link your newly created dropshipping collection to this list. Customize the layout and appearance of your collection list. Next, adjust filters and sorting options to enhance browsing for visitors. You can set filters based on categories, price, or other characteristics of your products. Once you're satisfied with the setup, preview your changes. Finally, publish your website to make the collection live for visitors to browse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.